Hi everyone. In this video we will make a mini weather station for us. We will prepare your development environment by installing all the libraries necessary. Open the Arduino IDE, go to your preferences and in the text box additional board manager links enter this link. Now go to Tools, Boards Manager, search for the ESP8266, and click Install. Now we will install several libraries to run the weather station code. Go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and install the following 3 libraries. Now we are going to use the weather station example to get started. Go to File, Examples, ESP Weather Station, open the weather station demo. For the weather station we need to get current and forecast data in a machine-readable format. To do this we will call the API of a service called OpenWeatherMap. Go to the OpenWeatherMap page and click on the Sign Up button. Then get your API key from this page. Configuring the weather station code. This code needs to be adapted so that it works for you. Let's start with the Wi-Fi settings. Replace your SSID and password. Use the Time Client Settings section to adjust your local time zone offset compared to the UTC time zone. Now to the display settings. If you connected the display as I showed in the circuit you have to replace the pin numbers. In the OpenWeatherMap section you can now use the API key you received in the previous section. Also set the country and city of the place you want to show. Now we are all set to run the weather station software for the first time. Click on the upload arrow and wait until the compilation and the transfer have ended. Now you should see the display lighting up and displaying a Wi-Fi icon. You can find all necessary links in the video descriptions.